It was a haute couture auction for the cause of AIDS, which turned to be the worst exhibition of vulture culture. Socialites and celebrities in Mumbai and Delhi on the ramp, sporting Indian designer labels, bidders lapping up dresses for record sums, pots of money for the organizers, and confusion about recipients, but leaving one man with a bitter aftertaste. Hollywood star Richard Gere, whose Gere Foundation is waging a tireless crusade against AIDS, was in an angry mood as he berated the audience for all hype and no real cause.
I get angry when I talk about this because I'm angry about this disease. I'm angry that it kills my friends. I'm angry that it's going to kill your friends. I'm angry that somebody here is going to die of AIDS. It makes me angry.
We are into the 12th year of the epidemic, and yet there's very little information available. And there is such a shroud of secrecy because people with HIV are discriminated against and ostracized by society. And because of that, there has been this complete secrecy which needs to go.